Hello there, greetings, and I want to leave a quick thought before you. There are different kinds of people. There are people who always complain and they say, God, why am I going through this trouble always? But let me ask you something. Let me show you something. This is a car key. If you look at this car key, you will see there are lots of cuts on the car key. And this is a bench of keys. Okay, look at it. There are lots of keys with different shapes and cuttings and curves. And if you look at one of these keys, this key is more complicated. Why is that? The more complicated the key is, that key will open the most complicated door. The more cuttings on the key, the more marks on the key, the most difficult the key will open. If you look at this key, it has very less cutting. That means this key is simple to open. So why many times when we go through troubles and traumas and struggles in life, when we ask a question to God, God, why are you loving me, or why am I going through this? He will tell you that you are a key that I'm preparing to open doors that no one can open. If you look at Joseph, he went through trouble more than 13 years. And God used him to open the key of a nation. Wow, look at it. Moses went through 80 years of struggle, at least minimum 40 years in the wilderness and 40 years in the palace. 80 years he went through. But Lord used him to open the greatest key, greatest door. He was the greatest key to open the greatest door, taking a nation into the promised land. You are a key, and you are a key that the Lord is going to use to open doors that no one can open, to achieve things that no one can achieve, to get going and get things done that no one can do. Be happy, be positive, and know that God is in control and He is holding your hands. Thank you for tuning in. Lord bless you. Thank you.